Learners, welcome to my channel again, CS Learning. I hope all of you are doing well and good, and you are learning Python as well. So, as we have discussed earlier regarding Python logics, flow of control, operators, basic operators, some modules we have discussed as well. Today we are going to discuss about Python strings. Okay. So let's get started without wasting the time. So in this session, I will show you what is Python string and we will see the concept of string in Python. Okay. So let's take a variable called x and we are writing 1, 2, 3, 123. So this is an integer number, right? I am taking another variable called y and I am writing a, b, c, d, f. Okay. Now, if I write this a, b, c, d, e, f, this will be considered as a variable in Python if I am writing it without any quotes, single quotes or double quotes. So, a string in Python defined under double quotes or single quotes. Okay. Now, if I giving a double quote or a single quote along this, in this total alphabets or this characters, this will be considered as a string or str in Python, str type. So if I print type of y, this will give you that class str and that is string. This is class string. Okay, in Python we will say it class string. Now what about this x? This x is considered as a integer when 1 2 3 has been stored, but whenever I will put a quotation like this 1 2 3 will become a x is a string. Okay, this will become a string. So whatever I will write inside a double quotes or single quotes in Python, this will considered as a string. So if I write this inside a print statement, this will print as it is. Okay. So always remember a string will be defined under a double quotes or single quotes. Whatever character set I will write, this is a character set. This A, B, C, D, E, F is a character set. Right. So whatever character set I will write inside this will become as a string inside this quotation definitely. Okay. Now let's say I am taking this whole string 1 2 3 a b c d e and f. Okay, this is okay. Now this is a string in Python. Now let's say how to manipulate the string. The string will having two characteristics, main two characteristics. First one, this string is having indexing that is forward index, and another one is backward index. Okay, and another thing is string is immutable kind of variable. Okay, now what do you mean by this immutable? I will explain it to you. First, let's understand what are the indexing. Okay, let's start with the forward indexing. So every character of the string is having a index number. Let's say 1 is having an index number. 1 is having an index number called 0. Always forward indexing will start with 0. Okay, 0, then 1. This is the indexing. This is the indexing. 0, 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now the backward indexing will start from -1. This is backward index. Okay, this part. So I am drawing a box over here. -1 for F, -2 for E, -3 for D, -4 for C, -5 for B, -6. This is -7. This is -8 and -9. So you can see every forward indexing is having its another index, that is backward indexing. So which is this element is 3. Suppose this 3 is having two index. One is forward index, that is 2, and backward index, that is -7. So how to manipulate the string? Right, let's say how to manipulate the string if I want to manipulate it, or if I want a single character of the string. So let's erase this portion and let me. So if I say S equals to 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D, E, and F, double quotes is there. Now if I write print S -7, so -7 means this backward index, and what is the element in -7? That is 3. If I again write print S, then 2, that means also 3. So the both the statement, this both print statement will print same result, that is 3. I hope all of you are getting it clearly, right? So this print statement, both of the print statement will give you 3. Let's take another example, like print. If I write S, this is forward index 6. Okay, let's say 7 only, because here I have taken -7. So let's say I have taken here +7 is +7. So it will give you, see in the +7, what is the element? That is E, small e. So it will give you small e actually. And in terms of string only it will give. Don't think that this 3 is an integer. This 3 is not an integer actually. This is a part of the string only. Okay, and it is called substring as well. Okay, it is called substring as well. So I can pick up a substring like a sub part ABC. If I want to take out this, I have to write like this, print S is the name of the string. Then what is the starting character I am taking here? What is the index number of A? That is 3. So I will write here 3 colon. What is the ending of this sequence I want to get? That ABC, that is 5. So I will take here 6 actually, because the ending value will not taken, that means 6. If I take 6 here, so it will print out the sequence like A B C. Okay, up to 5 index it will print. Okay, this way I can take out a part of the string or a substring. This is called a substring as well. This is called a substring as well. This is a substring of S. Substring of the main string S. Okay, ABC. Right? So I hope you have got the point properly. It is understandable and it is clear to all of you. The concept is clear. Now what you mean that this is all about indexing I'm talking about. Now we will talk about the immutability of the string. Okay, so let's take the notes if you want to follow this. I will not erase the index part because immutability also will related with the indexing part, right? So let's say S is 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. Now, if I write S1 equals to X, this is actually not allowed in string. If I write this type of line, immediately it will get a error. Okay, it will get a error. But why? Because we cannot change any character in between the string once it is created. That means once I have created a string, I cannot change it in place or in the same memory location. I cannot change it. Okay, suppose S is a string. In the Python memory, it has taken a place. Suppose this is a memory, total memory. So here S has been defined. Here S has been defined and each character of S is defined like this with the in terms of index number, right? Now I cannot change a particular character in between S. It is not allowed. Okay, and this property is called immutability or immutable. Okay, sorry, immutable. Okay, immutable. Okay, so immutable means once a string has been created, it cannot change its value in the same memory location. Okay, if I write S equals to A, B, C, X, Y, Z, that means I am changing this S actually. I am overwriting this S in some another memory location. It is taking the place. Okay, the previous S is erased from the memory. I have newly defined a variable called S, that is with a new value, and it will take place in a new memory location. It will not be in the same memory location, right? So that is the main concept of string, that is indexing and immutability, two main properties of string I have discussed here today. I hope you have understood this and this video will be helpful for you, especially for CBSE standard 11 students, or for standard 12 also you are having Python revision 2 so you can follow this up. Okay, and for the other topics you can check out the playlist Python theories. Even if you want to check out the practical things, you must go to the playlist over there in my channel. Okay, so let's end up the session for today's here. I hope you will be learning and you will practice more and more. We will meet in another session. Till now, bye bye.